So here's the machine, guys. This is how you see it, is basically how I got it. This is what it looked like when I got it. I might have shoveled some leaves and stuff out of there, but for the most part, this is how it sat. Let's do a quick walk around. And so, I mean, the thing's, it's fairly clean. It's got some rust going on over here. I'll clean all that up and paint it and everything. And then it's got some rust stuff right here, which I thought was really weird. But see right in here? I'll clean all this up though. I think I'll soda blast that just to clean it up, make it look nice. The interior is actually, it's a pretty nice interior. It's dirty right now, but I think after it gets cleaned up, it'll look nice. We got our pilot controls back there for the backhoe and stuff. It's pretty cool. And then obviously there's pilot controls up here, and we got some new and old parts lying around the cab here. And seat looks like someone smoked, and maybe that's some cigarette burns right there. But like up here, it's headliner, looks nice. It's got a radio. That's pretty cool. The dash is dirty, like I said. Let's get in here. The dash looks like they cleaned it. They like swished it around. I don't know, they're maybe trying to check something. I don't know, but someone left the vents all closed, which is nice. So then it's not all dusty in there. Then, yeah, this is like, I mean, the motor was all in kind of in pieces and stuff, and this is just stuff that was lying around in here. Got some pulleys in here. I don't even know what this guy is. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll find out. And then one great thing is that these guys were pretty neat about things. So like these are sitting in the cab, and this little bag says flywheel on it. Front cover bolts. Alright, so they took their time, and oh, this looks like this would be the same guy that came out of here. I'm not sure which one's the better one. Alright, so it's got some bolts here. This looks like maybe for the motor mounts. These guys are big guys. Bell housing bolts. I labeled those. It's got a bunch of other little bags lying around. Fan shroud. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. And it's got the adjustable steering right here. You can adjust the steering back and forth if you want. You just get that out of the way when you're getting in and out. And the windshield wipers, got the rear view mirrors. And we got some lights outside right here. Some lights going on, dual ones on each side. So I think once this gets cleaned up in here, it's going to feel pretty nice. Definitely the air conditioning is going to be a big deal. Yep. So here's the gauge cluster on this guy, which is all pretty clean. None of them been smashed or anything like that. Hours, super low hours. There's only 1,894 hours on this. And I'm missing the key, so I need to find a key. Got the air conditioning controls right here. So this is going to be pretty exciting. Alright guys, this is a super scary part. So the truck just pulled away, and I just unloaded this guy off the back of the truck. So I'm going to unpackage this and see if it's the same block as the other motor, which if it's not, then this is not going to get it. Okay, so this thing is supposed to have like 1,500 hours on it, and it looks pretty clean. So hopefully that's the case. So I'm gonna look at the back of this and just like eyeball it right now, and see what we got. So here's where we're at right now. take a quick look. And it's hard to actually even see. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be able to totally see right now because this little part looks like it's added on. Seems like it should turn a little bit. Okay, good. So the motor's turning, so we like that. All right. Well, I know that the intake and the turbo and stuff are in different spots. Like this turbo's on the side. The one for the backhoe should be up top up here. So we're gonna like flop all this stuff around. So here's the block part that we're gonna keep right here. So this is what we want to be looking at. So looks like this is for applications, I think, where you want to mount a air compressor on the side of your motor or something. If you got air needs in whatever your application is. So that kind of has got a little squiggle here when it comes around. This is all technical terms, realize. And so you got this guy with two holes here. And we got this guy right here. Now let's just go take a quick look at the other motor and see if we feel like it's the same. I mean, obviously I felt like it was the same before I got it, or else I wouldn't have gotten it. So. So this is looking good. We got this whole thing here where the air pump mounts. This little squiggly guy here. This whole boom boom. I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I think this is gonna work out. I don't know if you can see what I was talking about here, but air compressor, whole ding ding, squiggly. I mean, this looks exactly the same. So just on quick inspection, I'm going to say that the block is the same. We'll be taking this AC component off of here. We might have to switch some of these pulleys and stuff, but we're not going to get into that today. I just wanted to take a quick look. Oh guys, check this thing out. I wish they had this on like all heavy equipment and stuff. This is kind of, you just turn this, and here are all your pins. And there are your pins. Like BMW has this, they use the same kind of thing on their stuff, and it just makes way more sense than the connectors that you're prying apart, breaking stuff on. But just want to show you that real quick.